Yeah, g'day YouTube, Breezy here. Hey, just a shout out to... Oh, man! Oh! Fucking flies, man! Yeah, g'day YouTube, Breezy here. I'm just leaving the hospital. The Jandowie Hospital. I've just gone into emergency just to... they gave me some special tablets to take to stop the spread of the infection from the wasp bite. Now I'm going to go home and put a baseball cap on. So to unbolt the BA and BF bumper bars, you've got a 10mm there and a 10mm under there. Same on the other side. There's your 10mm nuts there, 10mm. And then you've got some Phillips on the we don't have it on this side, so this side should just come out and fall back. I'll be back in a sec. It's safe to say it was definitely a country car with all the mud and crap under there. Yes, I'll clean that before I put the other bar on. Let's take some excess weight out of that rear end. Get rid of the dirt. There's the old bar. And there's the new bar. Courtesy of GDM Wreckers. So I'll be putting that one on soon. I've just got to go and get some silver paint and just paint around the top, just around here, to blend it in. So it goes in under there and it's silver. I'll be back soon. Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. Just covered it straight away. Yep. Ford Lightning XR6.
Well, that's the roof, the head cloth of the Falcon, just drying with a hairdryer. As you can see, a little bit of it went through. So I dry it and then I get a wet cloth and just remove the excess from underneath. But you know, it's better than thumbtacks and staples. It's just a cheap job. Make it look better than what it is. Nice colour though, eh? Pretty easy job, you know, you just pull it out the passenger, you drop your seats and you just pull it out the passenger rear door. Geez, should be hot in there without one. Come in. Well, what a day, YouTube. First I started talking to yous, and then I got bitten by a wasp or a bee or some bloody thing. And then I went to the hospital and they gave me antihistamines or something to stop the swelling. And then I've been wearing my hat so I don't get bitten again. And then it got really hot. So I waited for Brad next door to come home because he went shopping. And then Brad and I went up the road, which is 500 metres from here, and there's a pub on the corner, and we went and had a couple of beers. I had about six or seven schooners, and then I came home and I grabbed some of my key rings and YouTube business cards and went back up and gave them to the locals. And then I had another schooner while I was there. And then I came home and removed the rest of the head cloth out of the Falcon. And then what did I do? I glued the new material to it. And some of the glue, I don't know why it did it, but it soaks through the material, so it is what it is. You can't help these things. It's not the actual material that I was actually going for. I was going for something with more give, like those throw rugs that the kids and dogs use. They have a little bit more a woolly, like a more of a synthetic woolly feel to them. This stuff's, I don't know what it is. It's very stretchy, but anyway, I won't have push pins and thumbtacks. There was a couple of push pins over the driver's door, and I don't like push pins because if you do actually accidentally catch one, it will fall on the driver's seat and you sit on it, and then you know you end up with a prick in your ass. So we're basically got, well, you can't really see it at the moment, a tin roof on the inside, and I've put the rear bar on the back this morning, like I said. So the rear bar looks smick. I'm having a red plum at the moment, full of juice. So tomorrow morning, the plan is to put the headliner back in, and then I've got a mechanic coming around about 12 o'clock to do an inspection, so hopefully I can get the car on the road. By the way, the pillars, the plastic pillars, the trim that goes up between the passenger and the driver's door from the windscreen was grey. It's now blue also, just to tie in with the head cloth. But I'm going to go inside now before the mozzies get me and get bitten by something else. I'd rather get a love bite, or, you know, I don't know where I was going with that. Maybe I just need another drink. But yeah, so I'm going to lock the car up, and I'm going to go inside, edit these videos all together. Enjoy the content. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment. And you know, without you guys, the content, the channel just won't grow. So please subscribe and share the content around with your mates. Take it easy. Bye.